If you want to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your site's fonts, colors, buttons, animations, and spacing so your website looks more polished and consistent across every page. If this helps you save time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the page you want to edit. Once you're inside your site preview, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This opens your page in editing mode so you can make changes to the layout and styling options. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Site Styles icon. This is the paintbrush icon, and it's where Squarespace keeps all of the global design settings for your website. These settings are very important because they affect the overall look of your site, not just one section or one block. Now, you'll see a list of design categories you can customize. The first one is fonts. If you click fonts, you can change the global typography packs for your website. This controls the way your headings, paragraphs, and buttons appear across your entire site. So, if you want a more modern look, a more elegant look, or something bold and clean, this is where you can make that happen. Choosing the right font style can completely change the feel of your brand. After that, move to colors. This is where you can pick a master color palette for your site. Squarespace will automatically generate 10 different color themes based on the colors you choose, which makes it much easier to keep your design consistent. If you want your site to feel more minimal, vibrant, soft, or high contrast, adjusting the master palette is one of the fastest ways to do it. Then open the buttons section. Here you can customize the button appearance for your site, including the shape, text sizing, and border style. You can choose between sharp, rounded, or pill-shaped buttons depending on the style you want. You can also adjust the primary, secondary, and tertiary button styles so that your call to action buttons match the rest of your branding. This is a great way to make your website feel more professional and user-friendly. Next, check out animations. This setting lets you add global page load motion effects like fade, slide, or scale. These animation styles can add a subtle level of movement to your site and make it feel more dynamic as visitors browse your pages. Just be careful not to overdo it. A clean, smooth animation usually looks better than something that feels too busy. After that, go to spacing. This is where you can modify your overall page width and mobile padding settings. If your layout feels too cramped or too wide, spacing adjustments can make a huge difference. This is also especially useful if you want your mobile version to look cleaner and easier to read on smaller screens. Since so many visitors browse on phones, spacing is one of the most important style settings to review. Once you've made all the changes you want, go to the top left corner and click Save. This locks in your style updates and applies them to your website. Always save before exiting so none of your design changes are lost. And that's it. You've now learned how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, including fonts, colors, buttons, animations, and spacing. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Squarespace walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.